All right, we have the Ouvislite Mini PC with a J4125 quad-core processor, Intel Celeron. Very nice. Let's check this thing out. I'm excited to check this one out. Let's take a look here and see what we got. Do a little unboxing. Do some measurements. On top here, we got an owner's manual. I'm going to need that because I'm 52 years old. Nice packed in styrofoam. Very nice. We have the Mini PC itself in a nice soft plastic. What is that, an HDMI cable? We have an HDMI cable that comes with it. Very nice. You get an HDMI cable. And we have the power supply. And we have a mount. So if you have a monitor that has TV mounting holes on the back, you can screw this into the back of that monitor and mount the PC on here. All right, so here's what it looks like. Let's get a quick measurement real quick. I got 5 inches by 5 inches, roughly 2 inches. Pretty small, compact. So this has a J4125 Intel quad-core processor in it. It comes with Windows 10 Pro already installed on it, pre-installed, so that's good. So let's just go over the output. So this runs off of a 12-volt adapter that is provided to you. This cord is about, I'm going to say 3 feet long, and it just plugs right into the back right here, and you have an on-off switch right here. Pretty simple. We have a microphone input. If you want to hardwire it, there's a LAN input right here. 2 HDMI slots, 1 USB 2.0 here, 1 USB 2.0 here, 2 USB 3.0s here. Pretty cool. Plenty of cooling around here. It's vented enough to where it should stay plenty cool. There's a VGA input on this side here if you want to plug it into a VGA monitor, or just go HDMI. You got 2 slots right here. And on the back, it's got your specs on here. This is the model GK3V. We have 12 gigs of built-in RAM memory on here, and we have 128 gigs of storage built right into this hard drive. And it tells you it's a 12-volt 2.5 adapter. And there's a little help number on here if you need some help with it. One of the cool features I think about this is that the screw can be removed, the slot slides over, and the top pops up. And you can remove the top of this and actually plug a SATA drive into here, and it lays right in this slot. Put the cover back on, and you can increase your storage. I mean, nowadays a 1 terabyte drive is pretty affordable. Yeah, this just snaps back on. We'll just close that back up. Let's plug this thing in and check it out, see what we get. Looks like it's going through its setup. There's my IT tech on duty. Who's a good boy? You're a good boy. Good job. We'll get this thing set up, me and you. This is exciting. It's getting things ready for me. I hear sound. And here we are. Open up Microsoft Edge. Pretty cool. That was pretty easy to set up. I mean, I did this whole thing and the unboxing video and everything in less than 10 minutes probably. Yeah, pretty cool. 5-inch by 5-inch mini PC made by Ouvislite. 128 gigs of hard drive storage, 12 gigs of RAM. We got 4 USB ports on there, 2 HDMI hookups. Man, I could throw this thing in the luggage and take it with me to a hotel with an HDMI cord and a wireless keyboard and a mouse, and I'm good to go. This is pretty awesome. The Ouvislite Mini PC. Check it out.